Uma ma'am? Ma'am?
You are here only. Uma madam?
Good morning, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Ma'am, start ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, yes, ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes sir. Yes sir. ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ
ಪೂಜಿತೆ
ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ
ಪೂಜಿತೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲಿ
ಸಲಹುತ್ತಾಯೇ
ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲಿ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಅಂಧಕಾರದ ಓಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಅಂಧಕಾರದ ಓಡಿಸು
ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ಅರಸು ನಮ್ಮನು ಚಿಂತೆಯ ಅಳಿಸು
ಶಾಂತಿಯ
ಉಳಿಸು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. Okay, Rupa.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. There is something we cannot buy. One of such things is childhood days, and that you will realize only when you grow old. Now, I would like to call Mr. Krishna to deliver welcome speech.
Good morning to all. Wish you happy Children's Day, everyone. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. First of all, I would like to welcome the chief guest of this function, Samatha Sri. Welcome you, Samatha Sri.
Okay.
I take pleasure in welcoming the president of this function, Kumari Neha S. Shigavi. Welcome you, Neha S. Yeah, I would like to welcome special invitees, Kumari Bibi Kuteja and Mohammad Kaif Hangal. I welcome you both. And at this junction, I would like to welcome the man of discipline, dedication, devotion, and determination, the father of our school, our dearly honored President M.S. Kanur sir. With all the respect and honor, I would like to welcome even in her absence, the woman of dignity and the mother to all of us, our Vice President, Srimati Sulochana M. Kannur Amma. With immense respect, I welcome Amma even in her absence. His contribution towards the society is endless. He is even responsible personality and well-known pediatrician, the secretary of our school, Dr. Praveen M. Kannur sir. With immense respect, I welcome sir even in his absence. The personality with great qualities of leadership and teamwork, determination and flexibility, confidence and self-belief, respect and consideration, the dearly admired treasurer of our school, Dr. Shailashri P. Kannur ma'am. With deep gratitude, I welcome ma'am even in her absence. Most talented, intelligent, innovative, goal-oriented, knowledgeable, and the favorite to all of us. With big round of applause, please welcome our very prestigious principal, Dr. Mantesh R. Kamat sir. With great respect and high regards, I welcome you, sir. The integral personality with great vision and mission as supporting and motivating leader to all of us, Please welcome our very lovable and caring headmistress, Srimati Leelavati ma'am. With huge respect, I welcome you, ma'am. The integral personality with great vision, that ma'am, I am welcome you again, ma'am. I also welcome young, energetic, and enthusiastic Dr. Namita P. Kannur. I welcome you, Dr. Namita, even in your absence. Very talented, fast calculator, quote you, big star, and the brightest star, Anurag P. Kannur. I welcome you, Anurag, even in his absence. Last but not least, I would like to welcome all teaching and non-teaching staff of KGI, loving students, parents, present directly or indirectly to this wonderful online children's celebration. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Just a minute, I will
Krishna
put
sir?
all mute.
While
And
we try
only
to teach
one
our
issue,
children on
Rupa.
about life, our children
Rupa,
teach us
Rupa
what
madam.
life is about. Now I would like to call
ರೂಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳದ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್.
now I would like to call upon Mr. Abrar Hangal to tell us the significance of today's.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Good morning, one and all present here. Respected management, principal, my dear colleagues, and my beloved children. As you know, today we are celebrating Children's Day. Dear children, you are the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. Happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year to pay respective or first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14th November and he was very fond of children. After he died in the year 1964, Children's Day is celebrated every year on his birthday. He wanted the children have the right to be educated, as he thought that the children would become the future of the country. He found many institutions for the education of children. The children used to call him Chacha Nehru. He also worked for the welfare of the children apart from making India independent. Childhood is the best time to learn things, get goals, start working from them, focus on your aims, and all the best for your future. Once again, happy Children's Day, my dear children. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear kids.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Every child is a gift of nature. Give them their todays, give them time to play and make way for their future. Now, I would like to call our little chief guest, Kumari Samata Sri Yam, express her happiness.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to
Just a minute, Samantha, one minute. I will put again all on mute and you can unmute and speak, okay? I'll put all on mute. Now you can unmute and start to speak. Only Samantha madam will unmute, okay.
Good morning to respected President, sir, Principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm very happy Children's Day. Myself, Samatha Sri, am studying in grade 9 from Kannur Vidyaniketan School. I'm very happy to be here, as today I'm going to speak few words on Children's Day, a day which is dedicated to the most precious gems of this society. Today is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Always said that children are the future of the nation. Hence, they should have care and affection. He was a man who spent most precious time with the children. Nehruji's love towards children was so abundant. In order to remember Nehru's love for children, our India celebrates his birthday as Children's Day. If we need to preserve our nature, it's the duty of all to with the future of the children in a better direction. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he was the one who believes that the strength of a country lies in the hands of children. We are the future leaders of India. So let's perform our responsibility to form a beautiful society and a better nation, because every child is a different kind of flower and we all together make this world a beautiful garden. We all eagerly await for this day as it brings lots of uh, happiness and fun. Personally, I feel so blessed to I am the student of Kannur Vidanketan School. Special thanks to my beloved principal sir. Thank you so much for the amazing job that you do. You gave us the confidence and reassurance we need through tough times like COVID. For that, we can't thank you enough. Thank you, teacher, for your continued support and care, and thanks for your cooperation. Thank you, one and all, for giving me this opportunity to express my thoughts. Once again, a happy Children's Day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It's wonderful to hear thought our little chief guest. Thank you, Samata. Now it's time to hear the president, Kumari Neha Shigavi. May I request her to express her views on this day?
Good morning, one and all present here. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Firstly, let me tell you, why are we celebrating Children's Day on November 14th? In India, we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As Nehru, the first Prime Minister of the India, was born on November 14, 1889. Thus, we commemorate his birth anniversary as Children's Day in India. Nehru was the founder of the Indian independence movement. He served as Prime Minister of India twice. He shared a lovely bond with children and was very affectionate towards them. Children also loved and fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He advocated for children to have compulsory education. He also believed that children are the future of our nation. Hence, they should be nurtured and educated well. Before I conclude, I would like to say one famous quote by Chacha Nehru: "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country." I would also like to wish you all a very happy Children's Day and happy Deepavali. Thank you, everyone.
That's really wonderful to hear her. Thank you, Neha Shigavi. Now we have to our special invitee, Kumari Bibi Kuteja, to deliver her speech.
I am Bibi Kuteja of grade 9th, as we have all gathered here to celebrate Children's Day and to mark the 131st birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I would first like to reflect upon the origin of this special occasion. In India, Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November to pay tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. He was a prominent leader and great freedom fighter who fought hard for India independence and took oath as the first Prime Minister of the country in 1947. He had immense love for children and believed that children are the future of the nation, and so it is crucial to nurture and educate them properly. He shared a lovely bond with children and was very affectionate towards them, which is why his children also admired him and reciprocated fondly by giving him the title Chacha Nehru. On this Children's Day, let us take a pledge and promise ourselves that we will ensure the safety of every child in the world and also work towards providing each and every child with their right to education. I conclude with a wonderful quote by Chacha Nehru: "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up all determine the future of the country." Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Bibi Kuteja. May I also request our one more special invitee, Chiranjeevi Mohammad Kaif Hangar, to deliver his speech.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Mohammad Kaif. I am studying in grade 9. Today
We are not hearing you properly, Mohammad Kaif. Little bit loudly.
Okay, sir.
Hold microphone very close to you.
Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. So I would like to words about There are some things that we can't buy. One of such things is our childhood.
No, hold microphone very close to you. ನೀವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
There are some things that we can't buy. One of such things is our childhood. Enjoy the spirit of Children's Day. I wish a happy Children's Day to all of you. Children's Day is celebrated in India to increase the awareness, the rights, care, and education of children. It is celebrated 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, known as Tata Nehru among children. He advocated for children to have a fulfilled education. Nehru considered children as a real strength of the nation and foundation of society. To become a successful person in life, always remember these points. Always remember these 4 points. Number 1, problems are the sign of life. So we should not be tense while facing problems. Instead, always keep smiling and we should face the difficulties in our life. Number 2, don't compare yourself with others because no one can play your role better than you. Even APJ Abdul Kalam says that don't compare yourself with others because there is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Number 2, never be overconfident in your life because overconfidence is your self-confidence. Number 4, never lose your hope, never lose hope. When you won't get success, try and achieve success. And start doing it. असफलता एक चुनौती है, विकास है। क्या कमी रह गई थी देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो। जब तक ना चैन को त्यागो। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो। ये बिना ही हार नहीं होती, कोशिश हार नहीं होती। Thank you for giving me this great opportunity to speak the words on Children's Day. Thank you.
Next.
Rupa.
Next.
Rupa, continue. Rupa Ma. Continue.
Thank you, Muhammad Kaif. Now, I would like to request our prestigious principal, Sir Dr. Mahantesh Kamma, to address all of us.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮೊದಲು
Sir?
Yes. Okay.
Now, I would like to request our prestigious principal, Sir Dr. Mahantesh Kamma, to address all of us.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. I wish once again a very happy, fabulous, fantabulous Children's Day for all of you.
Thank you, sir.
The reason why I use fabulous, fantabulous is that in the given scenario of this pandemic, condition the most vulnerable are the youngest one and oldest one. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನವರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, that itself is the biggest gift, isn't it? So many children might have lost their life across the globe. So many elders have lost their life across the globe. So therefore ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಏನು ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯ ಬೋನಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬದುಕಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬೋನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಬೋನಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that is the biggest gift that we can feel. Oh, this is what exactly the Children's Day gift and Deepavali gift for all of us. So therefore I once again wish all children of the globe, and special wishes to the children of Kannur Vidyaniketan Ranimannur, that the God bless you, my dear, stay blessed. And a few more words I would like to add on. The speeches given by these four, Samta, Nehaz, Bibi Koteja, Muhammad Kaif, First three, I think you spoke the same thing because you all googled out same and you got the same information and you practiced the same almost. You said the same. Mohammad Kaif tried to say something different, but he used Hindi, which is not allowed. My dear, we did not allow or ask you to speak something in Hindi because the program was scheduled either in Kannada or English by and large. So when you want to try something new, be careful. And when you are given opportunity, make sure that you make an impact on that. So you do something different, something new. For that, do not please believe on Google. Go and read some books from library. So library books may give you something different, new, or teachers may give something different and new, not just Google. Google Akka will help you only to give the same thing always. She gives you the same thing, isn't it? Google Akka, I say her. So she gives always the same thing. So therefore, be careful that it should not be reflected and you should not feel that, okay, you all copy from the same source. First thing. So therefore, the Children's Day, let us take a pledge that we will be original, we'll be having that originality. So will be Samta is Samta, Neha is Neha, Bibi Kotida is Bibi Kotida. So you are not same each other, isn't it? You are different. You are unique in each way. So therefore, your speech must be unique. Your source of information must be unique. So your presentation must be unique. So like that, all these things you have to imbibe, learn, adopt, apply. So then you will become very unique. Then you will become, oh wow, like that. So that the speech is very good. So you had, I think, being instructed by your teachers that you need to speak only 2 + 3 minutes or 3 + 1 minute something. So I think teachers have done a good job by restricting that time limit for you. But your speech is very good. So you spoke very well. So you were confident, you were prepared. And while speaking, you should not make others to feel that you are referring something. Adu kalibeku. When Samta started reading, the eyes were down. She was reading. When Neha started delivering, she even could turn the page. It was visible on the screen. When Kaif was speaking, he was reading. So that should not happen, my dear. So you would have practiced that 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, day in and day night since 2 days. So lot of you would have gone for by-hearting also. Or even if you would have said on your own with lot of mistakes, it's okay. We do accept originality. We accept you as a one child, raw. So you need not to be very much ready for us. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಈ ತರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? So that's what. So that is why you need to be very unique, and in that way you must be separate. Okay, right. But I must be thankful to the teachers for this innovative idea. The teachers, the kids are taken as guests, and the president, special invitee. Wow, so many 4 kids from the grade 9th are given opportunity to speak on. So you are lucky. It must be made as wonderful. So therefore, I have recorded this today's session. I want to present this one as a gift for you. I am recording the entire session that it should be very separate and some simply different one. When you grow up after another 50 years, when you will be old, 68, 70 years old, ajjas, and on those days you can say to your grandchildren, see, your granny was selected as a chief guest on those days when I was in 9th standard, like that you can show. Okay, so that is what the life is all about: beauty, thinking about future, thinking about tomorrow, dreaming about tomorrow. So that's what the life is so beautiful in it. And as you said, rightly said, all the 4 have said that the childhood is very unique, my dear. It's very simple, very nice. It is not programmed. Adu programmed alla. ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫು, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಡ್. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕೋಟ ಕಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಡ್. ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇದು ನಡೀತಾರೋ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ presentation participation by the kids. So many ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. I request you that you go and speak to your mother. ಕೇಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿನ ಕೇಳಿ, ತಂದೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು, ತಮಾಷೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ, ನೀವು ಆಸ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಸಣ್ಣವನಿದ್ದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಹಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಹಳ. ಇದನ್ನ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್, ಯು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. So as a gift from my side from Children's Day. ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಹಳ ನಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗೂ ಊಟ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಲೋಟ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಳೆಯ ಲೋಟ ಇದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ವಾಟಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಅಷ್ಟಿದೆಗೆ, ಅದು ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಊಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲೋಟ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿತಿದಂತೆ. ಅದು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿತಾ 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 ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡಿದಂತೆ. ಅದು ಕುಡಿದು ಅದು ಲೋಟ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಲೋಟ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಟಾನ್ 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 ಸದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಆ ಸದ್ದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಆ ಲೋಟ ತಗೊಳೋದ್ರಾಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಾರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. So many memorable days. Now you have got 3 days of holiday continuously. So you speak to your parents and ask them to recall that what was that event that makes them to feel laugh at you. ನೀನು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ, ಹಾಗಿದ್ದೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಜವಾದ ಘಟನೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾಗ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ಎರಡನೇ ಭಾಗ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ another 6-7 minutes to finish off this one. The second one is from today we are again stepping into the biggest, the final festival of the year alwa. Dodda festival idu, ee ವರ್ಷದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಹಬ್ಬ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ದಶಿ, ನರಕಾಸುರನ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಕೊಂದಂತ ದಿನ. ನಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ, ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯ ಪಾಡ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ದಿನಗಳ ಏನು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಹಬ್ಬ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ತರಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಕಣ್ಣೂರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಕಣ್ಣೂರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಕಣ್ಣೂರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯೂನ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಐ ವಿಶ್ a very happy Deepavali for all of you. Convey my best wishes to all your parents and your friends also. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಹಾ. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಿಟ್ಟೂರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಆ ಥರಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ವಿಶಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವೆ ದೆಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ದೃಷ್ಟಾಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಇದೆ, ದೀಪಾವಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ವ, ನಮ್ದು ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ತನ್ನ ಸಾರಥಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಟುಮಾರೋ ವಿಲ್ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ, ಬೇಗ ಬಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಕೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವನಿನ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಹಳ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಹಲಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಫೆಲೋ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಿ ನಾಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಡೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್. ಹಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ತರಾವರಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾನೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಈ ಕಿರೀಟ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳ, ಆ ಕಿರೀಟ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳ, ಈ ತರದ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳ, ಆ ತರದ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳ, ಈ ತರದ ಹೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳ ಅಂತ ಹೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈ ರಂಗೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇವನು, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಇವನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಪ್ರಭು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಭು ನಿಮ್ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರಭು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಭು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಏನಂತ ವಿಶೇಷ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಕಿರೀಟ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ತು ರೆಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ನಾವು ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೀವ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಪ್ರಭು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅವ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಡುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಅವರು ಸಾರಥಿ. ನೀವ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ? ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂತಸ್ತೇನು, ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೇವಾನು ದೇವ ಮಹಾದೇವ, ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಿಶ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್. ನೀವೇನೆ ಅವನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ವೈ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನೀವು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಪ್ರಭು, ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂಡುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಪ್ರಭು, ಅವನಿಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀವು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ? ಅವನು ದಡ್ಡ, ಅವನು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಅಜ್ಞಾನಿ, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಸಾರಥಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಅವಾಗ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾರು ಸಾರಥಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಾರಥಿಗೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೋ 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 ಹಾಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನೇ ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ದಡ್ಡ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಕಡೆ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅವನ ಅಂಧಕಾರ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಪಸರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರದ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಹುದು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೀವಿಗೆ ಅಂತೇನಿದೆ, ಅದು ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಬಳಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೀವಿಗೆ ಅಂತೇನಿದೆ, ಆ ದೀವಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಹಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕತ್ತಲೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಮೃದ್ಧವಾದ, ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿಯಾದ, ಸುಖಮಯವಾದಂಥ ಬೆಳಕು ಪಸರಿಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ದಡ್ರಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ರೂಪಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ KGI ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುವ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು and all. Wish you all once again happy Children's Day and happy Deepavali for all of you. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Rupa, continue.
Now I request Mr. Monish CS to deliver oath of thanks.
Again, I will put all of you on mute. Monish, you unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರು unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ Monish. Okay, right. Monish, please.
Good morning, everybody. Today, I take this opportunity to put all my gratitude in the form of words. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the chief guest Kumari Samatha Sri M, and I would like to express my gratitude to the president of this function, Kumari Neha S. Shigavi. I would also extend my heartfelt thanks to the special invitees Kumari Bibi Khuteja M and Chiranjeevi Muhammad Kaif H. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I express my sincere gratitude to our President Sri M.M. Kannur sir in his absence. Thank you, sir. I feel proud to thank the women of dignity, that is our Vice President Srimati Sulochana M. Kannur Amma, even in her absence. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Amma. I am elated to express my wholehearted gratitude to our respected Secretary of KGI, Dr. Praveen M. Kannur sir, for his never-ending support. Thank you, sir. I would like to give my vote of thanking to Dr. Shailashree P. Kannur madam for being the woman will power and standing by us. Thank you, madam. I am very thankful to our beloved principal, Dr. Mahantesh R. Kammar sir, for his moral support and molding all of us in a right manner to shape all of us to be energetic teachers. Thank you, sir. I am happy to express a vote of thanks our respected headmistress Srimati Lilavati madam for her motivation and encouragement. Thank you, madam. I profusely thank all the teachers, parents and students who have participated enthusiastically. Yes, thank you one and all. Every child is different. Every child is different.
No,
kind
only few seconds. Will together make this world beautiful garden. Thank you. Happy Deepavali to everyone. Yes, Rupam, only few seconds. Okay, thank you once again, all the participants, all the parents. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಸರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ, ಬಹಳ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಜೋರ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ವಿಲ್ ವೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು and all. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Stay blessed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And do not